Just know our set is home. All right, our set is home. We have our set with us.
Nearly 2 weeks after a dramatic standoff with Manatee County Sheriff's Deputies armed with a court order, former American Idol contestant Syesha Mercado and her partner Tyrone Denier have been reunited with their infant daughter.
We were excited. We kind of didn't know if it was going to happen. We were like, is this really happening? I think this is really happening, because we actually went to visit her, and we ended up getting her back that same day. So we were overjoyed, but it was bittersweet because we got her back, but Ra is not with us.
Ra, their now 23-month-old son, remains in custody of Child Services. The couple and their attorneys appearing again exclusively on Making the Case with Yodit to talk about the ongoing fight to reclaim their baby boy.
We were able to leave out the Save Children Coalition with our set, but then we had to leave and Rod there crying, you know what I mean? So, it's bittersweet. That's the best way I can put it. Because all I desire is for my entire family to be whole. And so we have this missing piece with Rod not being here.
Their attorneys say the system, not their clients, are in the wrong.
If the home is safe for a 23-day-old baby girl, how is that same home not safe for Rod? It doesn't make sense. It will never make sense. If the home is safe for one, it's safe from the other. The court has an obligation, DCF has an obligation to return that child home pending the disposition. The law is clear here. And so our demand, our continued demand, is to comply with the law. Don't do us any favors. Just do what the law says and return Ra home.
It all began last May when the couple turned to a local hospital for help with nourishing their son. Syesha, pregnant at the time, had trouble nursing him, a common problem among women who were breastfeeding. But the hospital notified authorities that the baby was malnourished, and the parents refused to allow them to administer medication, something the couple strongly denies, and the little boy was taken. Their attorney says the state is doing more harm than good for this family, and cultural misunderstanding may be in large part to blame.
They don't recognize their religious beliefs. They don't recognize their vegan lifestyle. They don't recognize, their ability to, ultimately determine what's in the best interest of their children. And they see that ultimately as, some type of obstinance to the system when they're only trying to be informed parents.
As the battle for their son stretches on, the couple is cherishing the time they now have with their daughter, but they remain concerned about lasting effects.
I wonder how this affected her. I wonder how this is going to affect her. And then also how that is connected with Ra and what he felt, even with her being gone now. He was able to meet his little sister, and now she's not there anymore. So I wonder how he feels as well. But it's almost like she was never gone, but the trauma, it's very hard to just forget that.